Hadley Design sent us this magnetic meal planner for our review, and we are going to check it out. I love anything that is going to make my life so much easier, and I think this is just exactly what I need. So check this out. I do love that the whole thing is literally a magnet. So this is just what's going to stick here on your fridge. And then, of course, so this is the week of, so you'd put, the week of November 25th or whatever your week is, and then you have Monday through Sunday. So right here you would put you could do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can just decide, you know what, I'm only getting my dinner ready. You put that in here. I love that you have your grocery list. And then, of course, you have your notes. Maybe there's a little something like, hey, Tuesday night, this kid won't be here tonight, so I don't need to make, as much or whatever it is you need to do. I do love that you've got your little marker here, and it's got the dry erase. So let me just kind of right here. That's not actually writing anything, but then we just erase it and check that out. And then we get ready for a new week. And this, I believe, also has a magnet. So I'm going to go ahead and get my week ready. I'm going to put it on the fridge and we'll be right back. And here we go. Now my life is going to be way more organized, and I love how pretty it looks on the fridge.